Tropa mo ba talaga ang mga tropa mo? In this video, I challenge my friends into a friendship test para malaman ko talaga. This video is inspired by Smosh, specifically those videos kung saan nanguhula si Shane kung ano yung mga favorites ng mga coworkers at kaibigan niya. Here's a detailed gist just in case you don't know what I'm talking about. I have 4 of my friends competing in this video. They are going to be given a category and tatanungin sila kung ano ang tingin nilang favorite kong 3 bagay from that category. Once they locked in their answer, my top 10 will appear. For each correct answer, they get 1 point. At kapag nahulaan nila ang actual top 3 ko, represented by the stars, they gain an extra 2 points for a total of 3 points. So if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. You can unsubscribe later kung di nyo talaga trip yung video ko. But give it a chance and I'll sure to deliver more quality content. Anyways, enjoy the video. Would you say na tayo ay friends?
Yes, I would say na friends tayo, Sean.
Bakit?
binalik sa akin yung tanong.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, like how close on a scale of 1 to 10? Tingin mo.
9.
9 out of 10.
No.
Sige, let's 8.
8 out of 10. Mataas yun. Mataas yun.
I say papakainin kita sa bahay pero di kita papatulugin.
Oo. What?
8. I say
8 out of 10.
At least 8.
At least 8. Okay, that's pretty good. So you're confident na you know stuff about me. Bakit umuungol ka na? Oh. Dati kasi naglaro kami ng girlfriend ko before nung bago-bago pa lang kami. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya naalala ulit kasi nagdi-delete ako ng files sa Canva. So naisip ko bago ko i-delete, i-repurpose ko siya para kayo naman yung maglaro.
Oh shit.
Are you ready? Are you down? You can still back out if you want.
Go.
Pwede ka pa mag-back out.
I'm in, pero yung sa tinanong mo, essentially kanina, bumaba ng 6.
Oh! Natakot ka?
Okay. Wala bang pagpipilian? Ako talaga mag-guess.
Yes, wala kang pagpipilian. Pero bibigyan kita ng help.
Okay.
Ready ka na? Okay. Movies. Top 10 movies.
Wala bang clue?
I
Ako
mean,
maisip eh.
walang anime movies. Both live action and animated nandito. Kung manghuhula ka, wala siya dito, pero like example, sinabi mo Harry Potter. Eh, di ba merong siyam na Harry Potter? I'll just give it to you. Hindi mo na kailangan maging specific.
Okay.
Yep.
Alam ko mahilig ka sa Marvel.
Okay.
Marvel franchise.
Hindi pwede yun.
Hindi ba pwede yan?
Iba-iba yun eh. Kung sinabi mo specific, okay lang.
Specific.
Oo.
Ang hirap eh.
Okay, unang gusto kong sabihin,
Okay.
yung Filipino movie na about sa psychology. Hindi ko maalala yung title nun eh.
Okay.
Yun yung una kong gusto kong sabihin. Kasi sabi mo, favorite movie mo yun. Yung
Ay,
Filipino.
Okay, wait, yung like 2 days ago.
Oo, yung 2 days ago. Hindi ko maalala yung title.
Di ko rin maalala pero nagma-Minecraft ako nun eh. Tapos,
Oo. Pero mukhang di mo naman favorite kasi nakalimutan mo yung title.
Avengers, ganun.
Yeah. I'll give it to you if you say Avengers. So, 4 yung Avengers, di ba? Just Avengers.
Avengers.
So, yun ay hula mo.
Lion King.
Okay. Lion King.
Avatar.
Avatar.
Hindi.
Okay.
Yeah. Sige, Avatar.
Oh, Avatar. Koa?
Oo, pre.
Baka iniisip mo, of all time. Hindi. Ako, top 10 favorite movies ko. Okay?
Spider-Man. Kay Tom Holland.
Tom Holland, Spider-Man. O sige.
Tom Holland, Spider-Man.
Okay.
B-movie.
The B-movie? O sige. Lakin mo yan? Or hindi?
Wait lang. Wala lang.
Isang movie dyan na kayo lang ng girlfriend may ano.
What?
Avengers lang nagpa-pop sa isip ko.
Recently, nung pumunta ako dyan. Pero puro recommendation yun ng bago, not really my favorite.
Yun yung Yeah, yung horror, yung VHS.
Yes. It's a good film.
Okay, isa yun sa hula ko.
No, okay. Mhm.
Sa Spider-Man, yung bida si yung brown, yung black,
Spider-Verse?
Spider-Verse, yun.
Hindi, yung bida yung black. Lalim nun.
Ang hirap.
Well, I can say Marvel. Yun na yung last guess ko.
Hindi
Well,
mo-
sabi-
Wait, hindi pwede sabihin.
Avengers.
Avengers, okay. So, Avengers, Lion King, tsaka
Avatar.
Okay, sige.
Wait, Scratch B movie.
Ah,
The Greatest Showman.
The Greatest Showman. O, sige.
Dito natin malalaman kung 9 out of 10 ka ba talaga sa akin.
Hindi mo kailangan isipin ng maigi. Laro-laro lang eh.
Tuloy, wala na talaga maisip na. Sige, B-movie mo na. Legit gago. Oh.
Tinanggal mo tapos binalik mo.
Oh, binalik.
O, sige, sige.
Ano tawag doon? Yung isang household sila na puro magic.
There's a lot of Disney movies like that.
Yung isang pamilya na puro sila may powers pero yung isang may salamin wala.
Oh, Encanto?
Yes?
Okay, you're guessing Encanto? So that's your 3 guesses.
Yun na lang yung pangatlo.
Okay, so VHS, Avengers, and Encanto.
Okay, Endgame?
Okay. Avengers
Mira.
Endgame.
Avengers
Okay.
Endgame.
Okay.
Yun na yung tatlo ko. Maisip na. Iba ka na. Taka na Big Hero 6.
Big Hero 6.
Yun na lang.
Okay, so Big Hero 6, Spider-Man, as in Spider-Man Miles Morales talaga.
Miles Morales mismo.
Sige, tas
Yung
ano yung
movie, tapos isa is Endgame.
sa Endgame. Okay.
May Spider... Oo nga, Greatest Showman!
Yes.
Ano yung Eternal Sunshine?
It's Jim Carrey's movie. It's a good movie. Meron kang 1 point sa Greatest Showman, mamen.
Holy shit, no way.
Yung Spider-Man mo mali si Andrew Garfield dyan eh.
Andrew ka?
Oo.
Andrew guy? Okay.
Spider-Man 2. You get absolutely nothing, my friend.
Spider-Man. Sheesh, yung Toy Story.
Di ba? Toy Story. Hindi mo... Greatest
Ang lapit
Showman.
na nung Civil War.
Oo nga. Hindi Walang Big Hero 6.
Ayun.
Wala rin
Pwede ba?
Endgame.
Actually, pwede ba? Kasi Disney rin yun.
Kasi Disney rin yung Princess and the Frog.
Toy Story.
Toy
Pati
Story,
High School
Disney rin
Musical.
No. Tingnan ko meron kang triple points. Meron sa isa, Greatest Showman. Yung may mga star, gagawin yung triple points.
Triple points yung may mga star.
Oo, kasi yun yung top 3
Damn.
ko. Nakalimutan mo na agad?
Nakalimutan ko na agad.
Okay lang.
Well, good start. Let's go.
Alright, moving on. Okay,
Shows.
bibigyan din kita help. Wala ulit anime. Walang anime. Tapos, pwede rin siyang live action or cartoons.
Series. Basta series. Yeah,
Basta series.
Basta series.
Pwedeng sa TV, pwedeng sa streaming like Netflix. Basta show. Series.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, di tayo nag-uusap about sa shows. At
I think-
wala akong baka.
I think we do. There's a few.
Sa kayo?
There's a few.
Stranger Things.
Stranger Things. Okay.
Unang guess ko yung What If.
What if? Okay, yung Marvel yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Last of Us.
Okay.
Tapos, ewan ko, magkahiwalay ba yung, parang magkahiwalay nga. Kasi Gen V tas The Boys eh.
Okay.
Kasi ibang character, same universe eh.
Okay.
So, itong mga hula ko.
Aha.
I will go to my alam kong mga shows.
Oh, sure. Yeah. No problem. Malay mo
How I Met Your... hindi, masyadong old yung How I Met Your Mother.
a good show.
Siguro The Office.
The Office.
Family Guy. Hindi, masyadong
Family
edgy
Guy.
para sa iyo.
Family Guy. Wait. Tingin mo, hindi ako edgy?
I mean, hindi. I
Umiyak
mean, like, alam mo lang yung series, alam mo lang yung show, pero di mo papanoorin yung buong season.
Got you. So, hindi siya magiging favorite.
Di mo siya magiging favorite. Alam mo lang
Yes.
siya as a memes.
Hindi ko alam kung kasama Arcane.
Okay.
Pero i-guess ko na rin.
Okay, what if then Arcane? Then what's the last one?
Ayun lang alam kong series. Ayun lang yung na-mention pa series eh. Pinapanood mo ba yung The Incredibles? Yung yung immortal na Superman na pinatay
Oh!
ng Justice.
Oh, Invincible?
Ayun, Incredibles.
Incredibles.
Yan hula ko.
Okay, so Arcane, Invincible, and what if? Okay.
Ben 10.
Ben 10? Okay, Ben 10.
10 lang eh. Ang hirap pa. Kasi, hindi ka kasi masyado nag-share ng mga gusto mong movies.
Nag-share
Hindi,
kayo
wait lang. Nag-share ka. Pero, yung interested din kami.
Okay.
Yon. Kaya hindi ko masyado maisip yung gusto mo talaga.
Okay. So sinasabi mo di ako belong sa inyo. Ganun.
Ah, wow.
Cartoons animated, shit, Gravity Falls.
Okay. Gravity Falls.
Gravity Falls. Gravity Falls.
Okay, Gravity Falls.
Last of Us.
Last of Us.
So, dito ako nahihirapan talaga eh. Sa dalawang yun eh. Gen V.
Gravity Falls. Gen V. Tsaka
The Last of
The
Us.
Last of Us. Okay.
Tayo na Itbulaga.
Malay mo!
Lagay mo yan, Itbulaga. Wala ko.
The Office.
Itbulaga tapos ano, pre? Ano yun? Isa. Ano yun? Friends, yun na lang.
Friends.
Wait. Rick and Morty.
Okay, Rick. So, Ben 10, Rick and Morty, tsaka Stranger Things. Okay. So close yet so far.
No!
Nakalimutan mo yung katabi ng The Boys.
Squid Game.
Galing mo doon, 2 points ka, pre.
Let's
Ben
go.
10 tsaka Rick and Morty.
Squid Game.
Pre,
okay.
Arcane! Tsaka Squid
Oo
Game.
nga.
I believe you got 2 points.
Kingdom ba yun?
It is Kingdom, yes. Ay, isa pa pala yun, Kingdom.
Okay. Ay, oo nga no, The Boys.
Arcane.
Oo nga no.
Tumama ka pa sa 20, Diyos. Okay. 2 points for the bro. Okay, next up.
Anime?
Okay.
Some movies?
I would say yeah.
So, meron.
I did not say that.
So, di ka mahilig sa Pokemon kasi wala kang gano'ng alam sa Pokemon.
Yes.
Feeling ko mga old lang yung alam mo, di ba?
I don't know.
Uy, wait, naisip ako. One Piece.
Okay, One Piece.
One Piece. Spy Fam.
Okay, Spy Fam.
Spy Fam.
May mga nabanggit ka dati pero hindi ko
Yes.
maalala kung ano yun. Your Lie? In April?
Your Lie in April. No, sige.
Well, I think kasama Demon Slayer.
Okay, Demon Slayer.
I think merong at least yung Your Name dyan.
Your Name, okay.
Ay, wait, may naisip akong isang anime na alam mo. Anong anime uli yun? Yung nangaagaw ng skill.
Ay, alam ko na yung iniisip mo. Pero di ko
Alam mo ba?
sasabihin. Charlotte?
Ayaw, Charlotte.
Okay,
Ay,
Charlotte. Okay.
Actually, nahirapan ako.
Oo, men.
One Piece?
Okay, One Piece.
Hindi Dragon Balls kasi hindi mo siya binabanggit.
Wow. Ikaw yun eh.
Obviously, My Hero.
My Hero. One Piece, tsaka Your Lie in April. Tapos, My Hero.
My Hero.
Sige.
My Hero.
My Hero. Okay, so Demon Slayer, Your Name, and My Hero ang hula mo.
Your Name or yung Suzume.
Okay.
It's either yung dalawa lang na yun eh. Imong ngalan.
Your Name.
Oo.
Okay. So, One Piece, Spy Fam, Your Name.
Fairy Tail. Ayun, Fairy Tail.
Okay, Fairy Tail.
One Piece masyadong mainstream. Baka i-avoid mo yun. Solo leveling.
Solo Leveling.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go! I'm actually kinda sad, bro. It's okay. Charlotte and
Oo nga pala.
Golden Time and Fire Force
Let's go.
1 point ka sa One Piece.
Pinapanood ba yung Jujutsu?
Yeah, man.
Man, ba't ako nag-doubt sa Attack on Titan?
Yeah, man. Tinapos ko yan.
Sasabihin ko dapat yan kaso OPM din.
Oo nga, OPM. I love OPM.
Nagtiwala
Actually,
ako sa guts ko.
2 points, my friend.
Holy shit.
Yun.
2 points. Charlotte? Damn, bro.
Tchadan. Tama ka sa Charlotte. And then, wala na. Ay!
Wala na.
Sinabi mo One Piece, di ba? Pero hindi mo nilagay yun. Dadagdagan pa kita ng extra 2 points kasi part yun.
Yes! Let's go.
3 points na si bro. 3 points na si bro.
Yung Hunter.
Oo nga.
Yung Hunter, oh. Baka bibig mo rin yan eh. Minsan eh.
Yeah.
Tawang ina.
Hunter, Hunter. Meron kang triple points sa Spy Fam. So, 3 points ka doon. Tas 1 point sa One Piece.
One Piece.
So, 4 points ka this round. Akala ko mahuhulaan niyo yung Charlotte kasi yun yung puro bukang bibig ko.
Oo nga pala.
Pero may 1 point ka sa
Ayan.
One Piece. Celebrity crush.
Put na Gabby Garcia. Joke lang.
You gotta remember na I like Koreans, di ba? Wala akong nilagay na Korean dito. So, di mo masasabi si Dayun or Twice or whatever.
Mahina ako sa pangalan eh.
Okay lang.
Okay. Di ko alam kung kasama mo pa rin mga Bini. Someone in New Jeans. Wala ko alam na pangalan ko.
Okay.
Someone in New Jeans. Someone in Bini.
Sige, I'll give it to you. Kasi sinabi mo naman na, kung meron man, I'll give it to you.
Chris Brown? Isa ba siyang dictator ng Germany?
Oh, nagsastatic ulit yung mic mo, brother. Did you just say dictator ng Germany? It was static, pero I understood that.
Zendaya isa.
Okay, Zendaya isa.
Oh! Hailey.
Steinfeld? Okay.
Sige, we go for Gabby.
Garcia.
Una ko sinabi.
Sige, binalik.
We go for Gabby.
Binalik mo ulit. Okay.
Feeling ko overrated to, pero yung una, si Thor.
Okay. Chris Hemsworth. Si Chris Hemsworth.
yan.
Okay.
Johnny Depp. Yung sa Pirates of Caribbean.
Johnny Depp, okay. Maybe it didn't come across to you na it's a crush, but I'm pretty sure we've talked about most of these.
Siguro. Nakalimutan ko nga yung Charlotte eh. Ryan Reynolds.
Okay. That's one.
Sino bang hindi?
Someone from The Boys.
Sige, I'll give it to you.
Yes.
Scarlett Johansson?
Oh, si Black Widow.
Yes.
Okay. So, si Thor, si Jack Sparrow, and si Black Widow. Okay.
Okay. Scarlet Witch.
Okay, so Scarlett Elizabeth Olsen. Sino yung namang guest? Ryan Reynolds and Elizabeth Olsen. And then...
Sama mo na rin si Black Widow.
Okay. Scarlett Johansson, Black Widow, Elizabeth Olsen, and Ryan Reynolds. Good guesses. I think you get 1 point.
Real?
Cause it's
Oh,
Stacy.
Spider-Man.
It's Stacy from Beanie.
Wait, yes, let's go.
You get nothing.
Wala.
Nothing.
No, si Andrew.
Tyla. We chatted about Tyla sa TikTok. Put the screenshot here. Ching, ching. 2 points.
Oh
for
my
the
God.
bro.
Pogi! Andrew!
Si Andrew.
Sebastian Stan?
Sebastian Stan. Tignan natin kung meron kang triple points. Meron kay Zendaya.
Meron,
So,
Zendaya.
4 points ka ulit.
Hirap ng celebrities actually.
It's okay, bro.
Ang dami nilang pogi maganda.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. This one,
Okay.
you have the best
Yeah,
shot
okay.
at.
I have the best shot in this bro.
League.
Ay na lol.
Okay, lol.
League and Minecraft.
Parang love-hate relationship ka kasi sa League. Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Valorant.
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 LOL, Valorant.
LOL, Valorant.
Ayun lang, doon na mahirap sa isa. Ano ba yung isa?
Balatro.
Okay. Balatro.
The Last of Us.
The Last of Us. League, Minecraft, and The Last of Us. That's your guesses?
Okay, ilalock in ko yung Counter-Strike. Kasi old game yun eh. Nabuhay pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Oh, sige.
Yeah.
So, Valorant, League, at Counter-Strike.
Tomb Raider. Easy.
Oh, Tomb Raider. Okay. So, LOL, Valorant, tsaka Tomb Raider.
No way, right? There's no way na wala yun.
Congratulations for 3 points, my guy! For your double points, I believe you get 5 points for this round. 2 points!
Two?
I believe.
Fortnite! Oo nga! Balatro.
Balatro.
Okay,
So you
okay.
get 4 points, di ba?
Ah.
Balatro, League and Minecraft, baby! 3 points.
Yes! Go!
May top 3.
No! Nainaboy yung dalawa.
Valorant. Hindi, okay lang yun. You get 5 points.
1,
Tama?
2,
3 points.
Ayan, Trey.
Yeah! Balatro.
Ako nga pala si Joker.
Dalawa yung triple mo. Holy
Dalawa. Ayan.
Meron ka 7 points this round. Holy!
Want a break from the ads?
I believe this is the last one. Top 10 music artists.
Aha.
Okay. Kasama dyan groups.
Okay, sige.
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown. That's instant.
music artist.
Yes. Music artist, my friend.
Hindi na ako mag-gut. Feeling ko mga sikat naman na artist ang mga trip mo.
I did put people from around the globe.
Okay. Kasama yung mga K-pop.
I did not say that.
Sabi mo all around the globe.
Yes.
Globe.
Hindi pwedeng pagsamahin yung Saja Boys pati yung K-pop group, di ba? Beanie muna, Beanie.
Okay, Beanie. Mhm.
Tapos, anong Blackpink?
Okay, Blackpink.
Nagda-doubt ako sa Saja Boys.
Beanie, Blackpink, tsaka Saja Boys. Yun yung
Oo.
the ultimate trio.
Hindi ka naman Swifties eh.
Hindi ka naman
Bruno
Swifties
Mars.
eh.
Bruno Mars, isang Cat's Eye. Hindi. Twice na lang para sa pick.
Okay, Twice.
Walang kung Toys R Us Seraphim.
Oh, no.
Yung spelling ng Dayon. So, Twice.
Chris Brown, tas Twice.
May isa kang laging pinapatugtog yung trip mong palaging pinapatugtog last year eh. With the baby artist. Chris Brown.
Oh, si Chris Brown. There we go.
Chris Brown.
Okay.
Yeah, yung tatlong yun.
Anong pangalan nung gumawa ng kanta na Dilaw?
Si Maki?
Yan,
Okay.
yan.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Okay, so Chris Brown, Twice, and Justin Bieber is what you said.
Justin Bieber. Si
Justin
Wet the
Bieber.
Bed, Chris Brown.
And
Okay, isa pa.
isa pa.
Beanie.
Beanie. Okay. So 2 points! Kasi Beanie
Let's
and
go.
Maki.
Hey.
Tingnan natin kung meron kang triple point. Isa. Kay Chris
Isa.
Brown. 3 points once again, baby. You gain 2 more points. 4 more points, sorry. Because Twice and Chris Brown is worth 3 points now.
Yes! Let's go!
Yeah!
Ay, Justin Bieber pala si Justin Bieber para safe pick.
Ah,
Please top 3, please! Ooh!
yeah! So,
Let's go!
3, 6, 6. Hindi ko sasabihin kung panalo ka o hindi. Pero thank you
Oh,
so much.
wala akong pake kung panalo hindi. Basta natuwa ako kayo sa artist mo.
Yeah, man.
Tama, Chantots.
Pwede ka na bumalik dun.
Sige, boy.
Bye-bye.